Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Kalisa Sasakirana with student number S400200011. And in this occasion, I want to share about my individual's paper entitled The Rules of ICT in English Language Teaching and Learning, Magister of English Education, Muhammadiyah University of Surakarta. For the introduction, according to Walter Mackenzie, a new age demands a new paradigm. Craig R. Barrett argued that with the help of technology, teachers will be leaders in the transformation of education around the world. ICT means information and communication technology. According to Ken, ICT from an educational point of view refers to information and communication technologies such as computers, communication facilities, and features that strongly support learning and various activities in education. KCA work scheme for ICT in Kent State Council. Due to its interactive and dynamic nature, ICT has the stamina to meet the needs of every student by providing opportunities to direct their learning and catch up information. With the use of ICT, students can learn any subject, especially English, easily. In the context of global exchange, the role of ICT becomes inevitable in 21st century. The use of ICT has become essential in everyday classroom teaching and learning. Its use provides opportunities for teachers as well as students to improve the quality education and meet the requirements set by contemporary knowledge societies. ICT has become an important tool for educational change and reform. According to Jeremy Harmer, the word innovation means something new, which means a new idea to change something for the better. He claims that if we look at all the language teaching methods used around the world by different teachers at different levels, we cannot say that they are 100% successful. Therefore, it is very important to keep looking for ways to make the process work, learning to teach for the better. Recording, picture, television, radio, and projector was once the most popular tool in the English language teaching until the English teacher is expelled. Computer and internet innovations have now introduced the unquestionable transformation or revolution of the English language learning and teaching. Different technology from information and communication doesn't change the English language learn a language and teach yourself. The teacher will do it use them or make good use of them to change their teaching method or strategy. Therefore, educators must be combine ICT experience with professional training and expertise to bringing technology into the classroom. For example, English language teacher, various traditional methods teaching language skill such as listening, speaking, reading, and writing remains important. For the method, this study uses secondary data as the basis for discussion. The use of secondary data in this discussion is beneficial, as noted by Bremen. Usage secondary information helps us investigate what the other researchers find, compare the results to see an overall picture of what they find. For result and discussion, the internet offers the best way to learn a language apart from immersing yourself in an English-speaking environment. The relationship between students and the website is more visible than with print-based text. Internet users may frequently return to sites or use the internet for interactions to share their information and ideas. Digital technology is rapidly being used by students and teachers not only in the classroom but also in personal life. Implementing ICT in schools will also bring benefits, the potential benefits and difficulties, especially in many societies, schools in Indonesia. For example, application Windows Movie Maker will give you several advantages. Second, can inspire each other educators, IT coordinators, and students for participate in collaborative work. Second, that can inspire students to learn as visually and audio as they can view and listen to their presentations or Windows Filmmaker. Third, by making an attractive or interesting film their own, it can encourage students or learners to become creative. Fourth, students can feel the challenge in making their own movie, watch it, and were excited to see if they can make a good film. Next, for the conclusion, ICT are intrinsic tools in many educational institutions. The use of ICT increases the scope of teaching. It provides quality learning material and creates learning autonomy. Along with academic excellence, students must have communicative English skills for their prosperous future. The curriculum should be streamlined to include technological aids. Learners can share their work which can promote culture diversity, have a positive motivational effect, and increase self-esteem. There are many advantages and challenges in it include ICT in school or education. Based on contextual factors, a school has its own barriers. The difficulties can usually be divided into 4 groups of barriers. This is a technical obstacle, teacher refusal, there is rejection of students, and the technological structure of the pure school. Okay, I think this is all about my explanation. I'm sorry for my mistake. And I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.